good news about Jesus as gone to John chapter 4 from verse 15 to verse 26. Jesus and the Samaritan woman, part 2. Sir, the woman say again, beg you give me some other water there, so that me can't get thirsty again, and so that me not have to come back at the well to draw no more water. So Jesus tell her say, go and go call your husband and come back. Me not have no husband, she said to him. So Jesus said to her, I true you dey talk when you say you not have no husband, cause a whole of 5 of them you have already, and the man you there with now, and no few husband. What you say? A true. Sir, she said to Jesus, me can see say you are one prophet. We father them worship God pandemonium. But uno Jew people talk about how a Jerusalem people for worship God. So Jesus said to her, say, lady, trust me pandemonium. The time I go come when people now go worship the Father pandemonium are in a Jerusalem. Uno Samaritan people worship where uno no know about. We worship where we know about. Cause the Jew people them gotta go use to save the people them in the world. But the day and time they come and it they are now when the people them will really worship the Father, we worship him how the Spirit want them to worship and from way down in them heart. Cause of them the sort of people there the Father look for to worship him. Can you see? God a spirit. And them will worship him, must worship him how the Spirit want them to worship. And they must do it from way down in them heart. Then the woman said to him, say, me know say the Messiah, the one where them call the Christ, a come. When him come, him a go tell we how everything go. Jesus said to her, say, I meet him. Me where they are talk to you. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.